name is Marcia Bornfriend, and I'm a teacher at CCBC, and I teach drawing for beginners. And we'll be doing a class, I believe, July 6th. I taught in Baltimore City since 1973 for 37 years. And then I went advanced drawing, advanced art, painting, and a smattering of everything else. So I have a lot of experience teaching. And when I retired, I ended up being hired to teach a drawing class at CCBC. And I've been there ever since. And I've had a lot of enjoyment teaching adults. The Drawing for Beginners class is a foundation for all art. It's really the foundation for your drawing and for anything else you want to do in the future. It gets you to understand what it takes to create on a piece of paper that's blank, which can be pretty intimidating. So in my class, we're going to be doing mainly realistic work and understanding what it takes to create things. Really is creating the illusion of weight and mass on a piece of flat paper. So we're going to start off from the very beginning with learning value. How do you create value from a pencil? The lights, the darks, the in-betweens. How do you create something from just a line? What can a line do? So we're going to use, create designs and lines. Then we're going to move on to drawing geometric forms, which is the basics for all drawing, and learning, getting those gradations of color. And we move on from there to drawing objects, to drawing the face, to doing perspective drawings of buildings. So we're going to learn a little bit of a lot of things that are very basic. And I'm going to teach that through several different ways. One, we're going to do I'm going to show PowerPoints, so you can get an idea of examples maybe of drawing. Another way would be drawing through demonstrating. So I have little video clips of how to draw certain things. So you're going to see me drawing, so then you can draw along with me, or you can watch it and then do something, your own work afterwards. For me to check your work, you can always hold it up and let me see it. But what I would encourage you doing would be taking a photograph of your artwork, and then you can email it to me so that I can evaluate it, and we can talk about it the next session to see what you can do to make it better, what you can do to improve. And we learn from each other in this way. I think. Why would you want to take a Zoom class with me? I think maybe it's because you want to do something different. You want to learn. You want to meet other people that might have like ideas, like needs. So taking Zoom is one way, since we can't be face-to-face because of the crisis we're dealing with, one way to learn, to be a part of something, to feel like you're active in doing something, maybe in learning, in that you're developing something. The nicest feeling you can have is creating something of your own. So taking the Zoom class, we will be creating things. We'll be learning. You'll be interacting with other like-minded people. And I think that is a very worthwhile way of using Zoom. Make sure you sign up for the Zoom class in Drawing for Beginners. I think you're going to enjoy yourself. You're going to end up maybe surprising yourself that you can do something that's really creative in drawing, or you can just enjoy it just for the sake of doing something and being with other people. So make sure you sign up and register for this class starting July 6th. See you there.